Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Agya Amatya, and from today onwards I'll be making videos on ESP32 basic starter kit. So our first project is output and input by using button and LED. So let's start. For this project we need ESP32 development board, breadboard, jumper wires, button, resistor and LED. I have connected LED with ESP32, long leg with digital pin 5, short leg with GND with resistor. Then I have connected button with ESP32, right leg with 3 volt, left leg with digital pin 4. For the first time to use ESP32 board, we have to install driver. For that, go to File and click Preference and click here. Just type the selected link. Click OK. Now click here and click Select Order Board and Port. You will see this dialog box. Now search your board's name. Mine is DOIT ESP32 DEVKIT version 1. Select it. Now click OK. Now it's ready for coding. Now I will copy and paste the code. Now the code is here, which I'll give you in description. Here I have connected button pin with D4 and LED pin with D5. Now I will upload the code. Now the code is successfully uploaded. Now I will show you the demonstration. Now you can see when I press the button, the LED glows, and when I release the button, the LED doesn't glow. Now I will show you the demonstration again. Thank you for watching my video, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll be making more videos like this. Bye bye.